In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set up sales tax in your Shopify store. This process is vital to ensure that your e-commerce store remains in compliance with tax regulations, providing a seamless shopping experience to your customers. Let's start the procedure. First up, access your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central control panel, where you can make all necessary adjustments to your online store. Once you are logged into your dashboard, look towards the lower left side of the screen for the section titled Settings. Click on this option to expand its tab. Next, within the drop-down menu, you will find a certain option named Taxes and Duties. Click on this section to navigate to the area where you can manage your store's tax settings. Once inside the Taxes and Duties area, look for the option Manage Sales Tax Collection. Within this section, select the United States. This action will allow you to manage the tax information specific to your store's operations in the United States. Now it's time to specify the exact regions your store operates in. Within the regional settings, there's an option to Add New State. Click on it to expand the list of available states. From this list, select the state where you are registered to collect sales tax. With that done, now you will have to enter your sales tax ID number in the corresponding field. This ID is a unique identifier assigned by your state's sales tax department, which helps to keep track of your tax collection and reporting. In case you need to adjust the tax for the shipping of your products, click on the Advanced Options. This tab allows you to customize how shipping tax is applied. Under the Shipping Tax section, you have 3 choices to pick from. You can opt to apply the shipping tax when applicable, apply it always, or choose to never apply shipping tax. Once you have input all necessary information and made all the adjustments, find the Collect Taxes button and click on it to save all the changes. This will implement the tax collection settings to your Shopify store. And there, in just a few simple steps, you have now successfully set up sales tax for your Shopify store. Always remember, understanding and correctly handling taxes is an essential part of running a successful and bona fide e-commerce business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore our channel for more helpful Shopify tutorials.